Hello and welcome to another video from Ellensburg Amplifier Repair and Service. And today we have a Soundstream, the 11,001D amp that I just announced on live stream, which you will find right here in the corner. That I am working on this board here, and I got everything glued down. I got the capacitors glued down. Everything's secure again. And I removed the output transistors on the bank that failed. And the reason why I went ahead and decided to fire up the cameras and record this particular segment here is to go over something that is becoming far more common than anything. So as you can see here, I do have the transistors lined up. So these are the transistors that I pulled from this whole side of the board. Now, two transistors in this board were installed here and here. And as you can see, the burning here of the board, this transistor had failed, but what happened is when this failed, other components failed. I think I have a couple shorted diodes here, which is real common on these when they short. But what I wanted to really point out was the two transistors that were installed in this location. They are, let's see if I can get anything to focus in on this today. These transistors are fake. See how shiny that surface is on that transistor? I mean, it's not focused in whatsoever. I'm really bad at cameras, guys, so sorry about that. But as you can see, the surfaces are absolutely shiny, smooth, and these are labeled F1J32AG, FDA 38 and 30. And what I'm getting at here is the recognition, or how to recognize a fake transistor. So if we were to look at a real Fairchild transistor here, you're going to see that you're going to have three little circles, little dimples in the top of this plastic. So this says FQA 38 and 30. This is an FDA 38 and 30, but that's not what we're after today. They kind of got close. They got close. The font is wrong on the letter size. The lettering is super big. The three dimples on this transistor are gone. You can kind of see where they were at one point, but this has been sanded down. Same with this one. This one here, you can't even see. You can just see where the dimple used to be. It's been sanded down, and it's smooth as can be. Shiny and smooth, whereas a real one, you can see, is shiny, yeah, but right where they stamp it, or they laser etch it, the rest is kind of dull around it. And there's the one that came out. See how shiny it is in comparison? I bet money if I were to take some isopropyl alcohol and a Q-tip, I'll bet money there's paint on this. So I'm going to show you what I do when it comes to identifying fake, counterfeit transistors. This kind of stuff will destroy an amplifier. So, a little isopropyl alcohol. And let's see what they did here. Did they paint these? No, I don't think they painted them. They just sanded them. It looked like they had painted them. If they did, they used a really good paint. So they didn't paint them, but they have definitely been sanded down. Actually, they sanded it down and buffed it. Oh, well, guys, it would have made a little bit more. It would have made for a more, I don't know, how do you say it, acceptable fake if they would have taken a little bit better measures. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pop this open. And I'm going to show you the next thing I look for in fake transistors. Now remember, this is an FDA 38 and 30. See the size of the die on that? I'll tell you right. So now let's see, do we have any shorted real transistors here? So I'm going to get my transistor tester, and we're going to test some transistors, and we're going to find us a shorted one here. I'm sure we got to have a shorted one. Come on now. There we go. All right, so this one is shown as a shorted transistor. So we're going to go ahead and split this one open. I'm going to show you the difference on the dies. So what I do is I just grab the back, I grab the legs, and I just give it a good twist. That is the die of a 38 and 30, a real one. This is the die of a fake 38 and 30. So this kind of stuff that's in the market that people will buy will destroy your amplifier. I mean, not destroy it. It'll fail. It'll fail. Things will short out, and you're gonna have to rebuild it. So it's very, very crucial, very critical to make sure that the parts you get come from sources that can be trusted. I do purchase stuff from AliExpress, Alibaba, eBay, just to, I don't want to say expose bad sellers, but just to try to help bring awareness of these products that are on the market. But you can easily spot a fake transistor just by looking at the face. So that's what I wanted to bring your guys' attention today on this board. That's probably why this board has come in for repair, because it had been attempted to be repaired, but it got attempted repaired with a counterfeit transistor. So I will get the drives repaired. I will get the wires replaced. I will get the vias cleaned up, this back together, get it fired up, and go from there. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. Leave any comments down below. I'll get to your questions as soon as I can. And keep your fingers out of the rails. Stay safe. We'll catch you on the next one.